Flipkart has announced the launch of a new services to help its customers. The newly launched voice search services will allow users to search all products across 80 plus categories via speech. The feature has been launched in Hindi and English language. Besides, the feature is expected to solve the language barrier as more than 75% of internet users belong to non-English speaking group. This feature is likely to help people in smaller towns in searching the products easily. The company also said that it has conducted a study with Brain and Company, which claims that online shoppers, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, are contributing a lot to e-retail platforms. Additionally, the feature comes with automatic speech recognition, text to speech for Indian, and natural language understanding. Flipkart also said that voice search merges this technology with its existing text based search capability, which is trained on years of Flipkart data to offer a powerful voice search platform that can understand natural languages based long and complex questions made by users in different accents. Flipkart also said that these features have been built by Flipkart in-house engineering and data sciences team. However, to use the voice search features, users have to follow or user have to go through these steps. To access the voice search feature, you should download the latest version of the application. Now you have to click on the mic option and look for the soundbar option. Then the application will start listening to all your commands. After that, you are allowed to search for anything you are looking for. Furthermore, the e-commerce platform announced that voice search feature has received an impressive response in the country. Initial trend shows that there are 5 million questions every day. Apart from that, you'll be surprised to know, guys, that Flipkart Grand Home Appliances sale is offering 70% discount on smart TVs from several brands including Xiaomi, OnePlus, LG and many more. Let's start with LG Smart TVs that are available on 40% off. Starting with LG TV, one can get LG branded smart TVs at Flipkart Grand Home Appliances sale. As one of the most popular smart TV ranges, Flipkart is now offering LG Smart TV starting from Rs 16,999 only. OnePlus is another brand that offering flagship smartphones. The smart TVs range from OnePlus is also available with 21% discount at ongoing sale. One can buy the new OnePlus Smart TV range starting as low as Rs 15,499 on Flipkart. 21% off on Realme TVs. Flipkart is also offering 41% off on Samsung TVs, 37% off on Nokia Smart TVs. So guys, that's all from our side for today. Keep watching Gizbot and thank